Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and to a new episode of Beauty Lies Within Us. Can you feel the weather changing? Or am I imagining? Trust me boo, the weather's getting cooler. Autumn in Dubai. I know, highly unlikely, but still, it's nice to open up your winter closets and bring out the autumn-winter 2018 fashion trends. Not all of us have the privilege of being able to travel to attend the New York Fashion Week or the Milan Fashion Week, but that does not mean that we can't be aware of the latest trends. Those of you that follow me on Instagram and Facebook would have noticed that I started posting pictures of myself wearing these trends from the beginning of August because that's when the new collection hits the shop floors. Now, just because fashion trends change every season, that doesn't mean we have to go out and splurge and buy a new wardrobe each time. If you are not comfortable with a certain trend, don't force yourself and blindly follow it. You need to be comfortable with what you wear, and also it's important that you have your own signature look. Okay, so let's start with the colors for this season. Hot fuchsia pink is definitely the color for the season, and besides this, mustard yellow and also rust. This rust color has taken the rails by storm, and you can see it everywhere, in clothes, in shoes, in accessories. Definitely one of the hottest colors for this season. Coming to the trends, and according to Vogue magazine, the hottest trend for the season, once again, yes I say once again, is animal print. The only difference this season was that it was not just the traditional animal print that we have been seeing in the previous seasons, and it was just not leopard. It's leopard, crop print, zebra, all the various kinds of animal print. It's not just in normal animal print, it's even colored. Sometimes they have used it as just a statement piece. Some people who are not very adventurous and don't like a lot of color and pattern would prefer to wear just a single piece, like maybe just a bag or a scarf or something like that. But on the runway, we actually saw, like in Dolce Gabbana and a couple of other brands, models dressed from head to toe in animal print. Now, mentioning Dolce Gabbana, I used to work for this fantastic brand once upon a time, and for Dolce Gabbana, animal print is their signature look, and each and every collection, be it spring, summer, autumn, they have to have it. But this season, all the big designers have also included it in their collections, and you can see it just about everywhere. The second biggest trend for fall 2018 is leather. Now, as you know, most winters we all bring out our leather jackets and leather pants and leather dresses, and it is always a part of your winter collection. But this year leather is big, and it's really nice if you actually take like a statement leather dress, something like this, and then pair it with zebra or leopard print boots. Now these boots of mine are from Prada, and when they are paired up with just a simple dress like this, then looks amazing. Another major trend for this season is pleats. And ever since Meghan Markle wore this fantastic dress from Club Monaco, since then you've seen loads of people just imitating her and aping her, and basically pleats are in a big way. These particular pleated culottes that I'm wearing now are from Zara. They are available on the shop floor as we speak, and they are extremely comfortable and available in different colors. They have little shorts inside, and they can be paired up with an animal print top like how I've worn it, or even with a crop top or with like a fitted shirt. You can wear pleats during the evening as well. Now, before I forget, the beautiful dress worn by Kareena Kapoor for the grand finale of the Lakme Fashion Week. Oh my god, the color, the cut, she looked, I mean, nothing less than a diva. Honestly, that dress was wow, and she looked stunning. Coming back to my wardrobe. Now, this Bazli Mishka dress is something I rummaged from the old collection of mine. I've actually worn this in one of my previous videos. It's a classic, timeless piece, and that's why it's always nice to invest in these kind of pieces, because you know that you will be able to wear them at some point of time. Another trend that we can talk about that has probably been inspired by the royal family is tweed, which is also a very major trend this season. Now, tweed, as we know, has various patterns, and I am particularly fond of the houndstooth pattern. And this coat, which I picked up from Debenhams actually a long time back, has been another classic buy, which I can wear again season after season. Another trend that we have seen carried on over quite a few seasons now is plaid or checks, as we call them. But this season it's quite different, because they've used really bold fluorescent colors and infused the design to look really trendy. And they have used this in bags and in cloaks and in capes. So I've changed now into these beautiful rust color culottes from Zara. And on to the next trend. The next trend is one of my favorite trends. It's silver. Now, of course, silver is a color, it's not a trend, you might say, but this season basically silver has been showcased in such a way that everything and anything can be mixed with silver during the day or at night. Now, for those of you that follow me on Instagram and on Facebook might have seen this outfit which I purchased from Bebe. Now, this is a silver bustier which I bought with a pair of black pants that have these silver chains at the side, and together, as you can see in the pictures alongside, the outfit is extremely glamorous. Now, I can also wear these pants with something else and wear this top also with jeans or with something else. Both these pieces are still available in Bebe. They are the new collection for those of you that want to go and take a look. A few other very important trends are layering. Of course, it's still a bit too hot to go ahead with layering, especially in this part of the world. And the layering is strange this time, because you know what they do is they actually put poofy jackets under the coats. So it's interesting. It's quite funky, and it might not be everyone's cup of tea, but it's a trend. Another big trend is the use of headgear. A lot of the fashion shows show these models wearing these funky headgears, and to me they actually look like monkey caps. Seriously, I would not be able to wear that. But like I told you, you can't be expected to wear everything and anything that is on the runway. Come on, you have to pick and choose what you like. But cowboy hats, cowboy style or cowgirl style is very in. In fact, that is one of the major trends in fall winter 2018. So when we talk about cowboy, we talk about a lot of fringes, and when we talk about fringing, it could be on anything. It could be on jackets, it could be on boots, it could be on skirts, it could be on coats. Now the best thing is that in this season, fringing is so big that they've even done it on the evening wear. So you will see these elaborate silk gowns with a lot of fringes here, there, everywhere. So fringing and cowboy style is big. Another exciting trend this season are capes, okay? And capes that are incorporated in various ways. Like, I'll show you this one for example. This is actually a formal jacket that has been transformed into a cape-like coat or jacket. This particular one is from BCBG Max Mara. If you're a logo person and you like to show off the brand name, now is the time. This is the season where brands really have made an effort, you can say, to scream their name on their products. Last but not least, accessories. Scarves. Now scarves are in, silk scarves are in, even the ones that are printed with plaid, of course, like the Burberry one or a Louis Vuitton one. Any silk scarf. Colored sunglasses, oh yeah, all the different colored sunglasses you would see. They look really nice on the runway, the yellow, pink, and I told you that hot pink is very much in this season. Then colored tights, something that has not been in vogue for a very long time. I know that on the runway they were worn in a very creative kind of a way, which maybe in real life it's difficult to carry off. But if probably it's paired with like a simple dress and outfit, they could actually look very nice. In accessories, everything seems to be oversized this season. So when it comes to earrings, this is still not big enough. I think you need to see these gigantic ones. Yeah, but they don't even have to end there. They can end here if you want. That is the trend. Yeah, even the long earrings to here, they look quite good, but you need to know how to carry it off. Maybe these kind of earrings look nice if you pull back your hair or make a bun or a little pony or something like that. They look good. So try them out. It's nice. I like this trend. Another oversized thing are bags. A lot of the designers have created really huge kind of shopper bags, which I love, again, because I like to carry the world with me in my bag. So it's a trend also that I like to follow. That's it for today's, guys. It's a wrap. I hope you like this video. I hope it gave you some insight into the new trends that are there in the market. Do let me know what you think in the comments below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please don't wait any longer and do so immediately. Till next time, guys, take care, be good, see you soon.